Welcome to the Fresh from Florida Test Kitchen. I'm Chef Justin, and today I have with me Amber Boykin, the 2022 Florida Watermelon Queen. How are you today?
I'm good. Thank y'all so much for having me.
Absolutely. It's our pleasure to have you here. But look at this. What do we have here? A yellow Florida watermelon. So Amber, tell us a little bit about this yellow Florida watermelon.
Yeah, so this yellow watermelon you see right here is just a different variety. So there's over 1,200 varieties grown in 96 countries. So this is just a fun little way that we've created a new watermelon.
Very cool. And so what would you say, if any, if there's a taste difference between your traditional watermelon and the yellow watermelon?
So some people say it tastes like a honeydew, but others say it tastes exactly like a watermelon and they wouldn't know a difference.
Well, I know one thing, it is super cool, and we have a really fun recipe we're gonna do today. We're gonna make a Florida yellow watermelon elotes.
I'm looking forward to it.
Well, let's get started on our recipe. I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this yellow watermelon down. This technique that I'm using for watermelons, you could also use with other melons as well. So what I'm gonna do is gonna take my nice slicer knife. I'm gonna follow the shape of the watermelon. So Amber, tell me some of the things you get to do being the 2022 Florida Watermelon Queen.
Yeah. So I have been crowned the Florida Watermelon Queen since October of 2021. So I kind of just got my year started because it's our season. So I go to different farms and just learn about the growers and kind of their methods and what they do as far as growing. And then I also get to go to grocery stores, some 5Ks, some schools, and just anywhere I can really promote the industry itself.
Okay, we've got the peel off of our watermelon. And now what we wanna do is we wanna make these into kind of corn-like bite-sized pieces. So I just kind of wanna square some of these up a little bit, get even surfaces. All right, Amber, we've got our Florida yellow watermelon cut into nice sticks, similar to the size of a piece of corn. And so now we just want to skewer these up. We've got our watermelon skewered and we've got it on a nice platter. So let's go ahead and start adding some of our ingredients. Let's give a nice little coat of salt and pepper right on top. And it can get on the plate. It could be a little messy. If you want to grab the chili powder, take a little pinch and just sprinkle it on. Perfect. We need to add a little acid to this dish. So we've got our limes. So I just do a little zest and then rotate. We're gonna just add a little bit of this lime juice. If you want to squeeze one, I'll squeeze the other. And so we'll just squeeze these right on top. We've also got some fresh cilantro, and I just ran my knife through this a little bit just to cut it down. Then the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add some of this Queso Fresco. Now this is a salty kind of Mexican farmer's crumbling cheese. So if you can't find this in your local grocery, you can use feta cheese or even Parmesan. All right, Amber, look what you have created today. Florida yellow watermelon elotes. What a fun recipe.
For sure.
So you can find this recipe on followfreshfromflorida.com with other amazing Florida watermelon recipes as well. So I hope you'll check that out. When you're in the store looking for your Florida watermelons, make sure to look for the Fresh from Florida logo so that you know you're supporting our hardworking Florida farmers, fishermen, and ranchers. In the meantime, I'm Chef Justin.
And I'm Amber Boykin, your 2022 Florida Watermelon Queen. And remember, you are one in a melon.
That's right, and keep cooking.